to select insurance online. In order to select insurance online, you just need to go to Google and type like endowment calculator. You can also type property insurance, you can also type car insurance, you can also type term plan calculator, anything. You will get a page opened like this. Here you can see LIC new endowment plan maturity calculator and other calculators. You can click on any website, then you will find this page. Here I considered endowment life LIC example. See, I have considered a coverage amount of 18 lakhs. I have mentioned the age of the person as 29 years and I have given details as city as Hyderabad, Telangana. Then the website shows me so many plans such as Max Life, which has premium of annually 2,05,794. Then HDFC Life is with premium of 2,19,466. Then I have considered the payable term period as 15 years. Then you can see I have to pay an amount equal to 15 into 2,05,794, that is 30,86,910 rupees for a period of 15 years to get the endowment life insurance plan against the coverage amount of 18 lakhs. Here the coverage amount is 18 lakhs, but I need to pay 30,86,910 for entire period of 15 years. But in this endowment LIC policy, I will get a maturity amount after the completion of 15 years. The maturity amount will be given by LIC with an interest rate ranging from 8% to 11%. Then let's see another example, term plan insurance. Here I have mentioned given date of birth for sample as 1989 and I have taken cover of 1 crore and I have given coverage for 60 years. Then I need to pay for the remaining 29 years and have selected mode of premium as annually. Then the total premium amount which I have obtained is from the website is 12,628 rupees. That means I need to pay total amount that is equal to 12,628 into 29, that is 3,66,212 rupees only. That is why term insurance plan is considered very least expensive way to get insured, because I am paying only 3,66,000 but I am getting the life coverage of 1 crore rupees. Okay, so let's get into the next one, health insurance example. See, here in website I have given information for a random person with an age of 31 years and say his wife is having age of 26 years. Then the website shows me different insurance coverage plan for health insurances such as Max 1 crore super saver and Birla Capital 1 crore sum insured super saver and Care Advantage health insurance plan. If you see, Max insurance plan is the least one with 14,090 rupees annually. So for the person along with his wife, he has to pay 14,090 rupees annually to get a medical insurance coverage of 1 crores. So I calculated the amount, 14,090 into 29, that means 4,08,610 rupees I have to pay to get health insurance of 1 crore for a person along with his wife. You can also include here your children also, so that the insurance amount may increase. But here you can observe that with the least amount of 4,08,000 you can get the health insurance up to 1 crore. See guys, if you want to take insurance, it's better to take both term plan insurance and health insurance for all the critical illnesses instead of taking endowment insurance, because in endowment insurance you are paying 30 lakhs 86,000 for just a period of 15 years, but here you are paying 3 lakhs 66,000 only. So term insurance plan is the best insurance plan for getting the life insurance coverage. If you are taking along with health insurance plan of 4 lakhs 8,000, then it is very best to take health insurance along with term insurance plan instead of taking endowment insurance plan, because in endowment insurance plan most LIC agents or any other agents will force you or will compel you to take endowment insurance plan, saying that it is giving good maturity amount. But guys, life insurance coverage is different from an investment. Don't think LIC as an investment policy. There are several other investment tools which are better, like mutual fund and stock market, where you can get good amount of returns than LIC. So guys, I would suggest you to take term plan and health insurance plan instead of taking endowment insurance plan for your happy and simple life. Now I am going to give you another example of property. Here, if you have a property like your own home or factory, you can check through online about what are the insurances available. Here I have considered the property with a value of 50 lakhs and the furniture within it is 15 lakhs, and I have considered the policy term 1 year, and I have written the property is less than 5 years. Then the Bajaj Allianz is providing an insurance amount of 18,615 for a term period of 1 year. Similarly, you can also check for car insurance plan. I have considered car with Hyundai model Grand i10 Sport. Then I have mentioned the manufacturing year as 2014 and petrol everything. Then I have got different car insurance policies from National Insurance, Magma, United Insurance Plan, which is showing, suppose National Insurance is showing 3,690 per year, Magma is showing 3,750 per year, United Insurance is showing 3,837. In this way, you can select any insurance through online by simply searching through Google. In addition to this, I would say you some things that you should keep in your mind before selecting a particular insurance. First one is what are your needs? That means you should know what is your financial situation firstly, then how many members of your family are there. Means you need 1 insurance, 2 insurance or 3 insurance, or medical insurance, how many insurances you require. You should be clear what is your needs. Then next one will be check the insurance cost. You need to compare all the insurances and see what is the amount of the premium charged by each insurance, so that depending upon the financial situation and the amount of premium you can pay to the insurance company, you should select the particular insurance policy with a particular premium, whether monthly or annually. And the next one you should keep in your mind is the claim settlement ratio. It is generally mentioned in percentage. It tells you about the insurance company whether it is trustworthy or not. The more the percentage of claim settlement, the more the trustee of the insurance company. So generally, you should select the insurance company with more claim settlement ratio. Then the next one you should keep in your mind is do not go overboard. Generally, most people will take insurance policies 2, 3, 4. They are taking multiple insurances policies without understanding their financial situation. Guys, many people get influenced by LIC agent or by relatives or friends, and they keep on buying insurance policies without any proper knowledge. So check your financial situation. Say you can pay premium amount of 5,000 or 10,000 for LIC, and you can pay premium amount of 5,000 for medical insurance. Then take a single medical insurance plan for to your family, and take a single insurance plan for your life coverage. Do not take simply one or two policies for saying that it can give you good returns, because LIC is not an investment tool. Do not mix investment with life insurance. You are having several investment tools like mutual fund, stock market for giving good returns. Then you should know what are the policies, coverage, terms and conditions, because many insurance policies will have hidden terms and conditions that you should keep reading it before opting a policy. If you find anything not willing to you, you can simply ask them or opt another policy. Then you should revisit your insurance needs. Suppose you are a person with age of 25, that means you are a bachelor. You are taking an insurance policy for your life coverage. Then suppose after few years you get married, then you need to take life insurance for your wife also. In this manner, after some time your children may also come. Then you can opt for total medical insurance for total your family, or you can opt for life insurance for your children also. So you need to revisit your insurance need, and thereby you should change the insurance policies accordingly. Then this is all the information I would like to tell about insurance policy. If you like this explanation, please hit the like button, and please share this video to your friends and relatives, and please mention your comments in the commentary box, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for important notifications. Guys, if you want to contact me, you can always contact through finstop2021@gmail.com. Any queries, anything, I'm most welcome. Thank you guys.